Hello everyone. Today I was going to show you I have a Les Paul Special 2 Limited Epiphone here, and through some accident these knobs have been overturned, so there is no sound coming out of this guitar, and I think what happened was the nut was loose and the knob was turned, so it overturned and twisted inside. This wire has come off. I've already tested this, so I think I know the fix. I can see where it goes. If you look, you can kind of see that there's some old solder here on this one and that it's been yanked a little bit to the side. So pretty easy fix if you have one of these or a similar model and you connect it and there's no sound. No matter what you do, something very similar could be your issue here. So we're going to do a little resolder and fix this and clean this up a little bit too while we're here. All right, let's get to it. So what we have here is, this is the loosed wire right there. And it's come off the volume knob here. If I can get that out. Right here we have some extra solder. This should be right here. And it's not. Because of being twisted too far, it just popped off that particular one. So we just gotta get that back on there. So this, right there, if you can see that, this middle connection is what we were working with. Just had to put some extra solder on there, get it back on, heat it up. Let me see if I can zoom in for you there. Clarity. Get you in focus. Right there. So that middle tab, that middle connection, one more time right here, this red wire. That was the problem. And now, nice and solid connection. Let's try it out. Okay, I'm going to be using this X-Tronic Pro Series 3060 Pro model. I've already used it once before to fix a wire and a toy, and it worked pretty well. No complaints so far, really like it. It's got a nice little magnifying glass and lights here, 4 helping hands. It's very nice. So everything is looking good. Everything's playing fine. Sounds great. No problems. A little out of tune, but it sounds good. I did want to note for you guys I did use the cat's paw to pry up that tab before I soldered. So that was one thing I did use. That was nice. And the wire strippers, we used this to strip the wire. There were basically no strands showing. So I used this on the smallest setting, this Craftsman. I used it on stranded 22. I also used this to twist the nuts. I use this to twist the nuts before I put the actual cap on here. Probably a much better tool to be used, some other type of pliers, needle nose or otherwise. But this happened to be right there and it worked fine. So I just used the tips of these to kind of get it level and low and get, I don't know if you can see, but get down here and twist those nuts around. So that worked well too. The X-Tronic Pro Series 3060 Pro, definitely recommend it. No complaints, and the solder that came with it was good, and it got up to temp, stated temp, no problems. I did have to solder twice. I don't know if you can see in the video, but I did solder and then it came loose. The wire popped out. Probably my fault. Probably just pulled too hard. But I went back and did a better job anyway. And so now we're definitely back in business, very solid, probably good for many, many years. So everything is good, other than being out of tune. It's ready to go. And thank you all for watching. Hope this helps somebody, especially if you don't have any sound on your Epiphone Les Paul Special 2 limited edition. Hopefully this will help someone. So check out our other videos and thank you for watching.